Hello dear fellow day traders, welcome to 15th February 2019's pre-open analysis. Today SGX Nifty is showing 8 points up move at the level of 10,801. US markets are pretty negative yesterday. Dow Jones is down by 103 points, Nasdaq is just up by 6 points and the S&P is down by 7 points. So seeing the cues from US markets, SGX Nifty, Indian markets will open in green to flat in today's pre-open and open session. Let's see what Indian markets has to offer in today's session. Indian markets were a dampening day yesterday as well. It closed below the level of 10,750, which is a key support for the market. If the market is going down from here, we will only see support for market at the level of 10,707. And what are the levels of supports we have to watch out for? Of course, 10,707 is the first level, 10,700, 10,672. If that is also barred, then 10,650, 10,629, 10,611 and 10,600 are the levels of support. If that's also barred, 10,585 levels, 10,563, 10,550, 10,500 are the levels of support we have to watch out for. What are the levels of resistances? The levels of resistance we have to watch out for are 10,750 of 10,780, 10,800, 10,826, 10,850, 10,880 levels and 10,900, 10,926, 10,936, 10,950 and 11,000 are the levels of resistances we have to watch out for in today's session. And what is fast stochastic showing? Fast stochastic is at the level of 38 where the market is stalled and it is coming to a oversold zone again. The same level of support and same level of resistance where we had previously, so it is coming down to the level of 10,672 and probably then we will be in oversold zone at the level of 20 and then we will again go upwards from there onwards. So that's what is happening as of now. Fast stochastic is at 38, not an overbought zone, not an oversold zone yet. And slow stochastic is at the level of 47. That's also not an overbought zone or oversold zone. And MACD is quite negative for itself. 10.66 is where MACD is at, whereas exponential is at the level of 24.95. Seeing everything, market has not much of a chance that it will go heavily upwards from here. Probably we may come down to the level of 10,672 in order to go upwards again. So that is the technical knowledge for today, guys. If you want all this technical knowledge for yourself, click on the first link in the description below. There is a session happening next weekend in 91 Springboard Residency Road for the technical analysis Nifty Intraday options trading course. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Share the video for all the knowledge needies. This is Ashok Kumar signing off, people. Happy trading and happy money making.
And now I know